I had an SD card error in my GoPro, so if I didn't get any footage, I've done took the covers off there on both sides, took this out, took these screws loose. I can access it from in here. I'm gonna take my Power Drive V2 off. Now I got another screw out. I got one up underneath there I can't hardly get to. And we got one holding it on. We'll have to figure out something here. Well, I had one last bolt. I had to end up cutting it off with a grinder. I couldn't reach it up inside there. We got her off. Now let's take off the old one. Well, got it off. The old one's off. I'll have to check the bolt pattern. There's the old one. Co-pilot. A little bit of difference in this size. I'm gonna put it up. I'm gonna put the ulterra up there and see what it looks like. See if I have to drill new holes. Yeah, I got the holes drilled. Let's see what we can do with it. Well, I got the bolts in here with the little spacers, rubber spacers. Over here you got to put these in first and then slide this between that rubber and its washer. So let's see if we can get these other washers and nuts on here. Back in there, Lord. Be back in a minute. Yep, got all the bolts tightened down. Got this put back on there. Put my little clips back on here. Get ready to put the panels back on.